Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I went to H&M and I have a few pieces to show you. I feel like these outfits are really cool for fall and they're all black and there's still one item in the way, but I'll show it on the next video. I also went to Aritzia and I got so many things. I'm also waiting for one more thing to come in the mail, but I will do a separate video for the Aritzia haul. But today I just wanted to do a short video for just the H&M haul. I know you guys like short videos, I've been noticing. So I went yesterday. Yesterday was holiday, Monday, during the afternoon after I did a few things in the morning because yeah, I just really wanted to go. I was actually going to Aritzia, but I decided to stop at H&M and I'm glad I did because I got so many cute things. So this is a skirt. This is a black skirt. It has elastic, but I really like the material. It is the type of material that stuff won't adhere to it, like fuzzies or anything like that. Plus it has a little opening here and I just thought that for fall would be perfect. I needed a skirt more comfortable. The black skirts that I have are kind of small at this point, like too small and a bit tight and a bit shorter. So H&M always, their sizes are a little bit bigger, so the small size should be good for me and long enough. And the skirt would look amazing with some black tights or other color tights for fall, and some boots, of course. Okay, so the next is this kind of like jacket sweater slash it could be a dress. I just thought that this would look so cool, like with the suede trend, like just like the deep brown accessories, bags, and boots as well. And this is really thick, you guys. This is like fall, like it's cold, let's put a thick sweater on. I will definitely try these on in a minute. The next, I thought that this outfit was a bit interesting. I don't know how this is gonna fit because they didn't have the small available, so I got it in medium. I didn't see it in any other size, to be honest. This is the only one that I saw. I thought it was really cool looking. Like I can go very different ways with this item, but first I need to see if it fits. I didn't really try this at the store lately. I just don't try things at the store anymore. It's kind of creepy. It's giving Silent Hill. I don't know. It's like now in H&M, and I feel like in a lot of stores, most of the stores, both sexes can go in, and then these dressing rooms, like the door is just a curtain, so anybody can just open your curtain. And not only that, but some of these dressing rooms are really dirty, like the floor is filthy, there's tags everywhere, it's just madness. And I prefer to just buy things, go home, try them, go back. Even if I have to drive back, I don't care, I'll do it. And same in Zara, it's like the curtains, I just don't like the curtains. The same as in Zara, like they have these curtains and I just don't like that. Yeah, you can easily see when you pass by who's inside and stuff like that, and I don't like that. And I also went to Zara yesterday just to like walk through and see what they have new, but they really don't have much. Like they just have kind of like the same thing. So they have not brought, at least in my location, they haven't brought good stuff for fall yet. So I'm gonna have to wait for that. Anyway, I'm gonna try my items now. Okay, so this is the outfit. I feel like this is really cool, but I definitely need the size small. This is huge. Yeah, I mean, I can get away with keeping this size, but the thing is that the belt won't work, and I really like the belt. I like that it's the same material as the top, but since there's a lot of space, I can get away with wearing my new boots. So these are the new boots. They're just newbie covers, but they're really thick. I don't know if you've seen the ads for this, but yeah, they're really sticky on both sides. So whatever clothes you've got, it's going to stay in its place, which is great. But thing is that they're big. Some people might not like that. And so I have these shorts, and I linked these in a prior H&M haul video. They're also part of my H&M, and I really like this taupey color, and it looks really well with this top. And it took me a while to find these. Yeah, but I found them. So these are suede, and it has a little bit of a heel. These boots are flat, and they're not suede, so it's more leather. And you can wear this outfit with either one of these, but obviously suede is in for the fall, so I would wear the suedes. So let me put them on. Okay, not sure if you can see these really well, but yeah, this is how it looks like. I just love these, and I feel like I can run in these. But I just thought that this outfit was cute. Also, I can change the belt. I actually have another belt here. Okay, my cat decided to make an appearance. Her name is Teacup, and she loves hanging out with Mama. Okay, so I added the belt from Banana Republic. I got this a while ago, I think at the beginning of the year, and it's real leather, has a silver buckle, it's thin on the front, thicker on the back, but I just feel like even if you get like a bigger size, if you get a smaller belt that you can cinch more, then that will do the trick, because the belt that this comes with, I couldn't cinch it anymore. I had it already on the smallest little hole, but I just feel like this outfit looks really, really cool. So this is the next piece. This is the sweater. I did not button anything. Let's put it like that. This is a very thick sweater. I kind of wanted to take it off because it's like 70 degrees, so it's not cold. It's still warm. But yeah, this is just perfect for fall and winter. You definitely would have to wear like some sort of tank top or a sleeve inside. It's not super itchy, but just a tad bit itchy. But it looks great. I love this. And I'm also wearing it with my suede boots. I just feel like a piece like this you can wear with high heel boots. And I will definitely wear this piece with black bottoms. I bought a new pair of black bottoms, but I will show it in the next haul for the Aritzia haul, because I just picked up some great interesting pieces from Aritzia. So this is a skirt that I got, and I am actually happy that I got the skirt because it has this elastic inside. It is perfect for fall because then I can cinch in sweaters, turtlenecks, and it will look amazing. Also, what I like about this skirt is that it has this opening here, which I love, looks great. Also, the skirt is really, really soft. I just love that. It feels very soft and comfortable, and I can leave the skirt on this height, or I can put it even higher depending on what style I'm going for or what I'm doing in the moment. So what I like about the skirt is that it's not super tight, and also it's not super short either, so it looks really classy and it looks decent. And this is the type of skirt that will last me a very long time, and I can wear multiple times with multiple different outfits, and I really love the skirt. I will definitely link it for you in the comment section below. And this top is from Banana Republic. I love this turtleneck. So I'm not huge on turtlenecks because I don't think they suit me that much, but a turtleneck like this with a very short neck, that type I'll definitely wear, and I love that. I think it looks really, really sophisticated, and I don't like the chunky turtlenecks. I don't feel like that's for me, but the skinny neck I will definitely do. Yeah, overall I feel like this outfit looks great, and I am wearing it with the suede boots as well. Okay, before I go, I quickly want to show you this edition of the belt. So I decided to put it on, and I feel like it looks so great with this outfit, and the skirt just looks amazing. Yeah, so a belt can really change an outfit or elevate it so much, you guys. get yourself a belt. Right, so that's it for my video today. I still have a couple of things coming in the mail. I will definitely continue to make a lot of videos. Fall is just like one of my favorite seasons for dressing and just putting outfits together for sure. By the way, I'm having the best hair day ever. I bought some new products from Aveda, so I'm trying that, like a bond repair thing, and a new leave-in treatment, which comes like in a pink bottle, spray bottle, and I'm loving it. Like, my hair is just so soft. Also, I did a pretty intense repair treatment and I left it on my hair like for 40 minutes. I applied heat and I just feel like my hair is feeling very soft and great. So I'm loving my hair day today. So that's it for my video today. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.